how to create a Metamask wallet. Step 1. Go to metamask.io. Step 2. Click on download. Metamask is available for Chrome, iOS, and Android. Click on install Metamask for Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. Add extension. It's going to take some time to download. After the download is finished, you will get the notification Metamask has been added to Chrome. Go to your extensions, Metamask. You can choose to pin it to stay in your browser. Click on Metamask. You'll be navigated to this screen. Click on Get Started. You would have two options. Either you import a wallet or you create a new wallet. This is if you had an existing wallet and you have the secret recovery phrase, you could use it to import it. For the sake of our step-by-step guide, we will be creating a new wallet. So click on Create a Wallet. After you click on Create a Wallet, you'll be navigated to this screen. You can either click I agree if you would like to improve MetaMask, or click No thanks. So really, this step is up to you, whatever you choose as an option. In this step, you would need to create a password. It needs to be at least 8 characters. Click on I have read and agree to the terms of use, and then hit create. After you create your password, you'll be navigated to this window to learn more about your secret recovery phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. It is very important. Keep safe your secret recovery phrase. It is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. You can save it in a password manager, store it in a safe deposit box, or even write it down and store it in multiple secret places. Never ever share your secret recovery phrase, not even with MetaMask. If someone asks you for your recovery phrase, they are likely trying to scam you and steal your wallet funds. Click Next. When you get to this step, this is where you see your secret phrase. You can store this phrase in a password manager. You can write this phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. If anything happens to your wallet, this is how you can get it back. You have the option to download it. So you can download this recovery phrase and keep it stored safely on an external encrypted hard drive or storage medium. Click on Reveal Secret Phrase. Once you store the secret phrase, you can click on Next. After you click Next, you'll be navigated to this screen to confirm your secret recovery phrase. And they do that to make sure you have copied appropriately your 12-word phrase. After you confirmed your wallet, you get a confirmation message. Congratulations. They reinforce never share the phrase with anyone. If you need to back up your secret recovery phrase again, you can find it in Settings, Security. Once you have created your wallet, if you click on the Chrome extension, the window displays your actual wallet. It will have all the ERC20 assets and Ethereum here. Any activities or transactions that are going to happen with the wallet as well get saved on the activity tab. You can buy, send, swap from this wallet. You might be asking, how do you connect your MetaMask wallet to dApps and DeFi? Now let's take the example of Uniswap. When you go to Uniswap, click on Launch App, and Uniswap is the first decentralized exchange on the Ethereum network. First thing they ask you for in order for you to start these transactions to connect a wallet. So once you click on Connect a Wallet, it'll ask you which type of wallet you want to use. Since we create a MetaMask wallet, we can choose that. There are other wallets that you can use, but MetaMask is the one that is widely used. Once you click on MetaMask, it will ask you here, connect with MetaMask, and they ask for your permissions. You say next, and voila, your wallet is connected, and you can now fund your wallet, make transactions with it. If you had Ethereum and you want to swap Ethereum to another token, for instance, you want to buy Aave, you just make the swap, enter the amount. Say you want to sell 1 Ethereum to Aave, it's going to show us the amount here. And we chose insufficient balance because you need to put funds in your wallet to start these transactions. Hope this was helpful. The majority of time, this is how you do your connections to your wallet. You will always launch the app, and then from the app you connect it to the wallet. We did this tutorial for Ethereum. Next, we'll look at other wallets on Cardano, like Uroi or Solana. We'll look at Phantom. That way we can cover all the keys to DeFi, the way you can interact with all these dApps that exist out there. This brings us to the end of our tutorial of how to create a Metamask wallet and get that key to connect to DeFi and to dApps. If you'd like to learn more about DeFi or crypto, check out these 2 videos. In this channel, we strive to simplify cryptocurrency topics using animation, analogies, and examples, and bring you the latest crypto news, project reviews, and market trends. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.